What's the meaning of cannibalize? Cannibalize. Cannibalize.
Cannibalize. Cannibalize. The term cannibalize means to take parts or resources from one thing in order to use them for another. This can lead to the original thing becoming less effective or even defunct as a result. For example, a company may cannibalize one of its successful products by taking certain features from it and incorporating them into another product. While this may benefit the new product, it could harm the original product's sales and overall success. In general, cannibalization has the potential to both help and hurt a company or system, depending on how it is executed.